Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.